Today, we're going to learn how to add barcode in Crystal's report using C#. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today, we're integrating barcodes in Crystal reports using C# in IronBarcode. If you're generating invoices, product labels, or inventory reports with Crystal report, this is the missing piece. Dynamically generated, database-backed barcodes rendered right inside your report layout. So let's get into it. So there's two prerequisites before we start. First, Crystal reports for Visual Studio. Grab it from SAP's website if you don't have it. Second, an SQL Server database with a products table. Mine has columns for product ID, product name, product price, product barcode, and product barcode path. Barcode column stores binary image data, and the path column stores the file location. Both matter for how we wire this up. So here's Crystal Report 1.rpt, open in Visual Studio. In the Field Explorer on the left, the products table is already connected. That connection is what lets us bind database fields directly to the report layout. The report design has two sections. At the top, the report header, barcode in Crystal Report C#. And in the details section, three database fields on the left, product ID, product name, and product price. On the right, a placeholder for the barcode image bound to the product barcode field in the database. And the layout here is intentionally simple, right? The interesting part is how the barcode field gets populated. The barcode generation happens in a separate console app. That separation is deliberate. In a real system, you generate and store barcodes as part of your product creation or import runtime. IronBarcode is installed via NuGet and handles everything that we need. In Program CS, we're importing IronBarcode, Microsoft.data, SQL client, and system.io. And the license configuration is tucked into a region to keep things readable. Then barcodewriter.createBarcode takes the product ID, so in this case 77446252, and code 128 as the encoding type. We call add barcode value text below barcode to render the value as human readable text and resize to set the dimension to 600 by 300 pixels. That gives us a clean aspect ratio for this report layout. For file storage, we're saving to C product barcodes. The directory gets created if it doesn't exist. Then the database insert, we're writing a new product record with the standard fields as values and two parameterized fields for the barcode. The add_barcode parameter uses two PNG binary data to store the raw image binary directly in the SQL. The add_path parameter stores the file location. Using parameters here instead of inline values is the right call. Keeps the query safe and the binary data clean. The console app has already been run and the data is in the database. You can see the product record is there with the barcode binary and file path stored correctly. In your own project, you'd run this once per product or hook it into whatever process creates new product records. So back to the Crystal Reports project. So there's the full report, header at the top, and in the detail row, product ID 77446252, product name Pineapple Small, and the price 100. And on the right, the barcode, crisp, properly sized, with the value printed below it. That barcode is being pulled from the binary data we stored in the database, rendered by Crystal Reports from the image field. Scannable and production ready. And that, my friends, is the complete pipeline. IronBarcode generates the barcode and stores it both as a file and as a binary SQL. Crystal Reports pulls the binary from the database and then renders it inside the report layout. It's a clean pattern that scales. Add more products, generate their barcodes the same way, and the report handles them automatically. From here, you could extend this with QR codes, different encoding formats, or bulk barcode generation for an entire product catalog. We hope that tutorial was useful. Subscribe for more from Iron Software. There's a lot more in the library worth covering. To get started with IronBarcode, go ahead and grab the free trial using the link in the description. Install the package, run the code, and you'll have barcode generation working in no time.